you, Father. You, Father.
Oh, shit!
Whoa, where you going? Where you doing?
This is much worse than I thought. That is a red one. Wow.
Red one.
We should leave immediately. Annie will get over it. We never liked her anyway. So, let's go.
No.
Congratulations to the happy couple. We are leaving.
Eddie! Yoo-hoo!
I'll be right with you. All right? Okay, you need to come out right now. Because I am feeling super vulnerable right here.
Brock's just like you.
Not for long.
Eddie! Over here!
You need to come out right now. And I will let you eat everybody. You can eat them all. Apart from him in the robe, you cannot eat him.
Promise.
I promise. Thank you.
Shut your mouth. Marriage trouble? Already? Time to die.
That's the spirit!
I mean us. We are going to die.
They said it's gonna be. My leg! My eyes!
I killed you. You can't kill a ghost.
You kill him, but keep your mouth shut.
Our wife knows what she's doing!
Just turn it down.
Who do you think you're talking to?
Stop him!
My cap!
Honeymoon or rock?
Oh my God! Sound! Except without the sound! You got it! I got it! Oh no! Oh, for goodness sake, help! I need help!
Mano y mano?
Stop!
You know how I spent my endless days? I spent them thinking about how you only told one side of the story. You didn't write about the part where Cletus was abused by Mommy, Daddy, and Granny!
Someone help! My toes! My organs! My feet! Both of my feet! Oh, again! Again!
You're going to watch her die.
something!
Eddie, I'm afraid we cannot beat them.
Baby, that's too much. You gotta stop him.
What are you doing?
I'll shut her up for good.
Oh, stop! You're hurting her!
Get up!
I can't.
Look!
They're not symbiotic.
Get away from her!
Shut up.
Take your hands off my wife!
They're not a match.
We are.
That's right, we are.
Together we are. The Lethal Protector!
Breathe out of both nostrils this seat!
Let there be carnage. Father, one of us must die.
We need fire.
Or sound.
How do you do that? Holy mackerel!
I'm not gonna make it, man.
No, that's not
make
true,
it.
man. Don't say that.
I'm just waiting for the pain to set in, bro.